Hey, Wagwan, listen up. You got the power to speak blessings upon yourself. You got the power to call for the good things in life. You got the power to speak forth your dreams. But you got to believe in yourself, you hear? You got to trust that you're capable of greatness. You got to know that you're worthy of love, care, and respect. Not just from others, but from yourself too. So, my dear, start speaking blessings by yourself today. Say it with me. I am blessed. I am worthy. I am loved. Say it and feel the power of them words, man. Feel the power of them words. When you wake up in the morning, say, today I'm great. Today I will achieve my goals. And when you go to bed, say, I am thankful for the blessings in my life. I am thankful for another day to live, love, and grow. Me say you got to speak life in yourself. You got to speak positivity. You have to speak blessings on yourself. Remember, you got the power to create in life what you want.